Whether you're managing hundreds of locations or one busy kitchen, you're responsible for packaging that protects food, moves fast, meets regulations, represents your brand, and creates positive guest experiences. To keep up, you need more than just a supplier. And finding the right food packaging partner? That's not getting easier. You need a partner with the scale, expertise, and innovative solutions to keep your business running smoothly. At Veritiv, we're your go-to for to-go packaging, delivering standard and custom food service solutions designed for speed, reliability, and sustainability. With 121 distribution centers and 650 trucks, we're within reach of 99% of our customers. That means faster delivery, lower shipping costs, and fewer disruptions. Looking for sustainable solutions? Veritiv makes it easy. Choose from over 43,000 sustainable products, backed by responsible sourcing and real data. Our EcoScore dashboard helps you track progress and prove impact. Need packaging that stands out? With over 50 years of branding and design expertise, our in-house team creates packaging that works and wows. We're material neutral, sourcing the right solution for your brand, your menu, and your goals. From the kitchen to the front counter, Veritiv is your partner in delivering exceptional food service experiences. Let's create something extraordinary together. Innovative, sustainable, and always on time.